Yeah, here's a Novus 125. See how she does. They're very responsive, so look out here. Oh, hold on. Oh, this one doesn't, holy smoke. This one doesn't really have a low field position. Like my G120 DO2, which is a lot more about that. But, it is possible to hover it in the living room. I'm not going to do much more here than hover, but kind of show the response of the different models. Now again, this is the D125, or the 125 CP. It'll really go. It's more set right now, I think, for some real active flying. So it's a challenge to get it to hover. So it's good practice, but you should definitely have more room than what I'm doing here. Let's set her down. Just a minute. With the right inputs, it will settle down. You really got to be Johnny on the spot with this one. Oh, yeah. We'll set it down.